Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sweetie and today is my 61st day of a 90-day challenge of spoken English. Okay, so today is Rakhi, a very special occasion, and I abstract a message from this special occasion. So I want to be share this message to all of you. Okay, so the message is on this special occasion we tie a rakhi to a brother's hand and we do lots of promise to each other. We do promise to staying each other and helping each other at a very like very bad situation. And okay, we means there's a lots of message we do to each other. But what about yourself? What about myself? Okay, I mean, is there any special day on which we celebrate this day with ourselves? No. I mean, of course, we do lots of promise to ourselves, and of course that I like as I talk about me, I do lots of promise to me to fulfill my routines. But I mean, there is not any special day that I celebrate that day for me. And I mean, it is not about to celebrate, but we have to be spend time with ourselves. Like what are the mistake we do and what are the changes we should have done in ourselves. Okay, means I want to be say one thing. I don't want to be make it very critical. I just want to be say one thing. We have to be listen our inner voice. There is a quote I read on my brother's t-shirt, and the quote is, let your intuition be your voice. And it means let your intuition be your action. Means let your inner voice be your action. You have to be listen your inner voice, what you want to do. And we always stuck in with lots of problems. Of course these are the very personal problems, like we have lack of courage, we have lack of confidence, and all these things. But what about to take action? Our inner voice always want to be want to be overcome our that fear. But we didn't take a step to overcome this fear. I don't know. I mean, I don't know why, but like why we didn't accumulate that courage. I mean, if I talk about me, like before taking this challenge, I tried lots of time to start this challenge, but I couldn't. And I'm literally saying, and even I made videos. I made that thumbnail also for videos, but I didn't accumulate that courage to post that video because of fear. Because I don't have that much confidence to face people and the fear of judgment. So I mean, we always, and I want to be share one thing here, and I said this thing in my previous videos also. Whenever whenever it's talk about our closed ones, uh, we always come from, we always come for them. Like whenever they need us, we always come. But what about us? Why we can't take step for ourselves as I do? Like, of course I should have taken steps for me before, very before, but I'm late. But it's okay. There is a saying in Hindi, late aay durust aay. So it's okay. But I mean, there is a very necessary to take steps for ourselves. I mean, if and I read a thought also. If you take first step, if you accumulate that courage to take first step, then that rest of path of your journey will be very easy for you. And because why I'm saying this thing, because I'm feeling this thing. I'm not, I mean, before taking this challenge, it was very hard to me for posting videos. But now, like after my first day, of course, there's a lots of challenges, lots of troubles I faced, and lots of negative thoughts, lots of negative comments, and I shared on my videos. Like even my mutual friends commenting on me, taunting on me. But of course, I failed, and I didn't stop myself. And that's why I'm saying this thing, that take step for yourself. Do promises to yourself, that okay, what you want to be, and be, try to listen your inner voice. I mean, it's a very necessary. I'm feeling this thing, that's why I'm saying. And why I'm saying, why I'm talking like this, because on this special day, I want to be give a very special message. And whenever my brother wore that t-shirt, and I was like, wow, what that thought it is. So please be, listen your inner voice and take step for yourself. It just needed one step, and you are far from your journey for only first step. I mean, for that first step. Okay, thank you, and sorry if I made any mistake, and thank you so much for bearing with me. Jai Hind.